What's good, my people? What's good? So today we looking at USD JPY. Right now I'm basically, only fooling with the USD pairs, and I'm gonna focus on those USD pairs for right now. So right now we're on a day chart, and I wanted to show you guys some. Let's go to the weekly. So as we can see, for the each candle equal a week, and you know how it goes. So right now we're looking at higher lows. We see this strong bullish trend. Price been going on since January 2021, and we get up here and we see that price basically shift structure, higher low. Then we get a lower low, right? Let's mark that out so you guys can see what's going on. All right, bam, we get. Hold on, let me pull that over a little bit. Y'all can't see. So market structure shift right there. Right. So after I see that, what I like to do is get my Fibonacci, pull that thing right there. And you know that anything above equilibrium, which is this middle line right here, we're looking for sell opportunities. Anything below and discount, we're looking for buy opportunities. So where are we? We are in sell opportunities, which is in the premium, right? So let's box this up. Box that area up. I like to box up my whole premium area and take my fib off because I don't like my charts really cluttered like this. So let's take that off, right? Now let's go to the 4-hour chart. Now on the 4-hour chart, this is what I want you guys to look at. So we see right here, we get another market structure shift, right? Bam, price break below that. Go ahead, label that, and then we see this, right? We got this new day opening gap. So let's go ahead and box this up. So, the new day opening gap is, when the 2 days happen and then you get this gap within price action, right? So this was Friday and this was Sunday. So Friday closed and Sunday opening, and we got this gap, right? So once price got down here, I was like, all right, cool. I want to see if price goes up and see what happens in this area. Because remember, on a high time frame, this whole red box is a weekly premium. So we're looking for selling opportunities on a higher time frame, right? And then we get this, right? So let's see what happens once we get this market structure shift on the 4-hour. Then we got this new day opening gap. Let's see what happens when price get in this box area of the new day opening gap. That's what I'm thinking, right? That's my mindset approaching this trade. So let's drop now to the 15-minute. Now on the 15-minute, I want you guys to look at this. We get higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, lower low. So these two lows right here would be considered the market structure shift. We get a market structure shift right here, right? So price closed below there, right? But this is the important thing about waiting on your setup to look, how you want it to look. Me personally, I don't like this because I don't see the strong bearish push that I would like to see. I like to see, these candles right here, but I want to see these candles break below here, showing strong displacement, right? So I don't see that. So I just keep in mind that, all right, we got a market structure shift. And if price choose to drop below that after that, I'm cool with that. I'll catch the next setup, but I don't like this whole setup right here simply because it's not strong. Now, this candle right here was the one that filled this new day opening gap. We got news right here. I don't know what happened. Inflation rate, yada, yada, yada. Some news, caused this candle to basically fill up this new day opening gap. So the gap is filled, right? So soon as the gap get filled, we get this market structure shift, and then we get bam. We get low here, higher low, bam. This is what I like to see, this whole move here, right? This candle right here breaks structure, strong bearish momentum, right? So this would be considered the leg that I will enter in, not a choppy leg like this. And I want to see this, bam. We're on a 15-minute chart, right? So I'm gonna show you guys another thing. We get our fib, pull, anything above at this line or above this line, we're looking to take an entry. So delete that off. Notice how this candle is right here, come and close this fair value gap up. And we still got this area right here that's basically fresh. And then we got this mitigation block right here. So I got in this trade at 178 right here. Once I seen this candle right here, this candle close and fill this up, I'm like, all right, I'm cool with that. I'll get in early because I plan on swinging it. You know, I plan on swinging this trade, so I'm gonna show you guys where I plan on swinging it to. But if you want it to be, you're trying to snipe this thing, I think this mitigation block right here would be a nice area. And then on top of that, let me go back. On the day chart, we see we get a bearish divergence setting up as well. So, that's showing, all right, we should be looking for sell opportunities. And this bearish divergence showing that, there's a trend reversal happening. So we see uptrend, 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 higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. And then as soon as we get up here, we get the bearish divergence on the day chart showing that price is divergent and willing to become a trend reversal, right? So that's another thing that I was looking at as well. Now I took the trade right here, and as you can see, this is live. Price is dropping. This could be a nice area to enter because what can happen is price could trickle down and then come up and tap into this area. I would look anything above here would be a good selling opportunity. I took it right here at 178. So anything above here now. Let's just say, I'm not telling you to get into no trade. I'm just showing you what I was thinking for my trade. So I get in here. I would like to see my stop loss right there. This leg right here, I'm trusting this leg to be, the holy grail. And let's go look at take profit areas. So remember, we're in this basically high time frame. All this red that you see is the high time frame premium. So we're selling in a premium. And if the high time frame agrees, we can sell until we get out of the premium. But let's just say, you're not willing to hold it for that long. So I think I'm going to show you the areas that I would like to see get took. This area right here, we see equal lows right there. So that would be a form of liquidity. And then we got, so taking it from there would leave you with a 1 to almost 6 risk to reward ratio. Stop loss will be around 20 pips. TP will be around 125. Now remember, we're on a high time frame, right? We scoped this from the high time frame. So we see these lows are equal to, that would be your next step. You could take that right there. Around this area would be a nice area to get out. That turns into a 1 to 12. Don't forget, we're on a high time frame. That's where we scope this trade at. This area here. Notice these equal lows. These equal lows will be, key areas that, you will want to see get taken out. That area right there, that turns your trade into a 1 to 26. And right here is the equilibrium line. Remember that whole premium box. So I would look to get out right around this area. I don't care if price comes down here. 1 to 26, is a nice area, but taking it all the way down to equilibrium will give you a 1 to 34 setup. And that would be a nice, setup off of a 20 pip leg. And, if this leg fails, let me show you something. If this leg fails, then guess what? I will still watch this for a selling opportunity until we get out of this high time frame premium box. If we get out of this premium box, then guess what? I don't look for selling opportunities because price is not respecting this high time frame market shift, which is price will not be respecting this leg right here. But as we can see, everything is lining up. I treat my trades like investments. So each investment, may not work. It can work. But what you have to keep in mind is that, if you know what you're looking for and if it looks good and you know what you're looking for, then is it an opportunity that you're willing to take? That's what you got to ask yourself. And, this is a decent opportunity if you ask me. So, yep.